So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on network and internet. And now on the left hand side, you want to click on Wi-Fi. For you, it's going to be saying Wi-Fi. So click on Wi-Fi and then this will come up. So once you're in here, there's going to be a Wi-Fi panel right here. You want to click on it, which is going to show all your connections. You just want to remove the ones that you don't want. To remove it, you need to select it and then click on the forget button. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in netsh space WLAN space show space profiles and click on enter. And now it's going to be showing you your wireless connections. So now you're going to type in netsh space WLAN space delete space profile space name equals and then the Wi-Fi connection name that you want to delete. So for me, let's just say that my Wi-Fi is called Speedy Tutorials. I'm just going to type in that. You want to type in your Wi-Fi that shows up after you type in the first command. And then click on enter. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then you should be good to go.